It may still be February, but opening day is quickly approaching. The Reds have begun tuning up for the season.
All the familiar voices are gearing up for the season as well. 9 Sports anchor Dennis Jansen's here with more. DJ?
That's right, Tanya and Brendan. It is so reassuring to hear Marty Brenneman calling Reds play-by-play action over the weekend. Confirmation that somewhere spring is gathering its glory and will soon descend on us. John Popovich is swept up in play-by-play fever as well. He's appreciating the sounds at Reds training camp in Goodyear, Arizona.
1, 2, 3.
Play ball.
Play ball.
Let's hear it for Nelson Riddle and the orchestra, ladies and gentlemen. Well done, boys. The Reds played their home opener of Cactus League season and kicked it off with a tribute to the late Sparky Anderson. More on that coming up at 6:20. Tanya?
We're over here tapping our toes and snapping our fingers. Thanks, DJ.